Greetings to all guests and subscribers of our channel. In this video, we will solve two shunting puzzles. Let me briefly remind you that they are based on a hypothetical railway track diagram, and the main focus is on a locomotive that can move forward or backward. It can push or pull any number of cars, coupling new cars to the train if necessary. The diagram on the screen illustrates the first task. We have a marshalling yard with two cars, a green car near the platform and a yellow car at the bottom of the diagram. Today, our locomotive is positioned at a dead end. It's important to note that the space in the dead end is limited. It can accommodate either a locomotive or one carriage. The task is simple: to swap the positions of the carriages with as few switch changes as possible and return the locomotive to its original place. Solution: the locomotive exits the dead end, the turnout is switched, and the train moves toward the yellow car. It pushes the yellow car, proceeds, and shunts the green car into the dead end. After returning with the yellow carriage, it leaves it at the platform and travels along the loop to the dead end for the green carriage. The locomotive couples with it, moves beyond the switch, and pushes the car along the loop to its designated spot, then returns to the dead end. The turnout had to be switched 6 times. Now on to the second task. Once again, there is a locomotive and two cars on the tracks. The goal is to assemble the train in the order shown at the bottom of the figure and depart from the station in the direction indicated by the red arrow, that is, to the right. Obviously, cars will need to be swapped and the locomotive positioned at the front of the train. The question is, how many times will the turnouts 1 and 2 need to be switched during these maneuvers? The locomotive leaves the dead end and moves beyond switch number 2. It reverses and shunts the blue car into the dead end. After uncoupling it, the locomotive leaves the gray carriage on the first track and proceeds onto the main track. Along the second track, it returns for the blue carriage and brings it to the main track. It then goes back along the second track and couples with the gray carriage. The maneuvers are complete. The first turnout was switched twice and the second turnout 3 times.